All right, so in order to get a sliding glass door with mini blinds and screen and all that in here, this window has to be taken out, and it's going to come way over to here. But I had an outlet right there. So I hired some electricians to come in and do a whole bunch of work to get this all safe and ready to cut out this window and put a sliding glass door in here. And I'm glad I hired it out, because they were up in the attic, up and down, running wire, new drops. They had issues outside, but they got it fixed. And the one thing they had to do is cut a big hole in the wall right down here in order to access everything. And they saved all the sheetrock. And I just got done mudding, spackling, and fixing that with no paint there. But all these walls are going to get repainted anyway, but I'll just clean that up just because I'm anal retentive like that. And I made 100% sure, I said, can I cut now out? He says, absolutely. He says, there are no wires back there at all. So this is ready to go. Now, I made sure for over here, because this patio door here is going to get walled off. This is just going to be a freaking wall. I had them move the outlet right down here. So I think that was kind of a smart thing to do in case I want to put a curio cabinet back here for all my Schottky stuff, memorabilia and stuff. My sister suggested that, and she also suggested putting an outlet up there too. So that's where we're at. I still got a little bit more work to do on the table out there and get going. I just got to pick out a sliding glass door and not pay $15,000 for an estimate with these Pella freaking yahoos here. I wanted $15,000 to do a sliding glass door. I was like, you got to be freaking on drugs. All right, there you have it. See ya.